Best Dashcam 2026. Mechanical keyboards have seen a surge in popularity among typists and gamers due to their precise switches, solid build quality, ergonomic layouts, and long-term value. Selecting a dashcam demands similar careful consideration, evaluating video resolution, sensor quality, construction durability, ease of installation, and extra features such as Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking monitoring. Product number 1. Rove R2 4K Dashcam Built-in Wi-Fi 6 GPS Car Dashboard Camera Recorder. The Rove R2 4K Dashcam offers a compelling entry into 4K front-channel dashcams. Its built-in Wi-Fi 6 connectivity allows for fast, seamless transfer of recorded footage to smartphones, making it easy to review and share evidence. The camera includes GPS logging for speed and location tracking, a valuable feature for documenting incidents. Daytime video quality is crisp, capturing license plates and fine road details clearly, while nighttime performance is decent in most urban and suburban environments. Compact and easy to mount, the R2 4K minimizes windshield obstruction. It also features loop recording, automatic file overwrite, and motion detection for parking monitoring. While it lacks premium low-light sensors or advanced HDR features found in higher-end models, it strikes a strong balance between price and performance. For everyday drivers seeking reliable 4K footage and essential functionality, the R2 4K Dashcam is an excellent choice. Product number 2. Red Tiger Dashcam Front-Rear 4K/2.5K Full HD Dash Camera for Cars. The Red Tiger Dashcam provides full dual-channel coverage, recording 4K at the front and 2.5K or Full HD at the rear. Its wide-angle lenses ensure maximum field of view, capturing crucial details while reducing blind spots. The camera system supports loop recording, motion detection, and parking monitoring, offering all-around protection for parked and moving vehicles. Users report that daytime video is clear and smooth, and while low-light performance is adequate, it doesn't quite match the performance of high-end Starvis sensors. Installation for the rear camera may require careful cable management, but the interface is user-friendly and simple to operate. Compact design ensures minimal distraction, and built-in features enhance its usability for everyday drivers. With dual-channel recording, solid daytime clarity, and essential monitoring functions, the Red Tiger Dashcam delivers excellent coverage for those seeking reliable protection without a premium price tag. Product number 3. Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam Front and Rear Starvis 2 Sensor. The Rove R2 4K Dual extends the capabilities of the single-channel R2 4K by providing both front and rear coverage. Equipped with a Starvis 2 sensor up front and a rear camera, it ensures reliable low-light performance and crisp 4K front video. The dual setup includes GPS logging, Wi-Fi connectivity, and loop recording, allowing drivers to keep track of routes and quickly transfer footage to a mobile device. Reviewers note that daytime footage is highly detailed and night performance is improved over standard models. The rear camera provides adequate resolution for most users, though it is slightly lower than the front sensor. Compact and Product number 4. Viofo A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam Dual Starvis 2 IMX678, IMX675. The Viofo A229 Pro represents a premium dual-channel dash cam solution. Its front camera uses the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, while the rear employs the IMX675 sensor, delivering excellent image clarity day or night. HDR technology further enhances dynamic range, ensuring details are preserved in shadows and bright conditions. This dashcam supports dual 4K recording, loop recording, parking monitoring, and advanced motion detection. Users praise its solid build quality and reliability, noting that it is capable of capturing license plates clearly even at night. While the initial setup and wiring can be more involved in simpler models, the robust performance and professional-grade image quality justify the investment. For drivers who prioritize premium, Product number 5. 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear, free 128GB card included. This 4K plus 4K dual-channel dash cam offers both front and rear cameras capable of 4K resolution, bundled with a 128GB memory card for ample recording capacity. It includes loop recording, wide-angle lenses, parking monitoring, and motion detection, ensuring comprehensive vehicle protection. Users appreciate the ease of use and out-of-the-box functionality, allowing quick installation without advanced technical knowledge. While the sensors are not as advanced as premium Starvis models, daytime footage is sharp and detailed, and nighttime performance is acceptable for typical driving conditions.